Hey guys, this is Seth and Eric with SEEK1st, and today we're here at the Shenango River. We're going to try for some crappie, some bluegill, and some perch. And yeah, hopefully we have better luck than we did in the last video. But yeah, stay tuned, and we're gonna have fun either way. So grab a bobber.
Main problem I'm having right now is it's really hard to get to them. Because since it's lower, they feel less safe because there's less stuff in the water to hide in.
Hey guys, we were here like maybe 3 weeks ago, maybe.
Something like that.
And this water was like clear up here where that log is there. It was much higher than it is right now. Can you help up?
Yeah, got it.
Grab some bait.
It's just
Hooking up on them.
yeah.
Water is much warmer than it was last time. It's in the bucket.
Excuse me.
And again, last time we were here, it started snowing. But we were catching fish, so. And I think we only brought, what, 2 home that day?
Yeah, something like that. It was a pretty pitiful day.
Caught a lot of fish, but only 2 that were actual, like, keeper size.
I'm just getting there too. Oh, there you go. Oh, crappie.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Look how low it is.
This is low, yeah. Very low.
We were talking about it. I don't think we've ever seen it this low before.
Now, this is like summertime low.
What do you think, Seth? Keep him or?
No.
I didn't even see him bite. I just started rolling in the cast again. Like, there's weight there. I thought honestly I had a branch down there I didn't see, something stupid.
Oh, we're trading snow for rain right now. I'm not gonna lean that there. Looks like poison ivy all over that log there. So.
I love the weather report on Google, man.
Just a digital version of the weatherman. So.
I love how accurate it is.
You guys, it was not supposed to be raining today up here. Google said it's supposed to be a beautiful, clear, cloudy day. When we get here, it's beautiful, it's cloudy, and rainy.
Still beautiful. Still beautiful.
Didn't even notice he was there.
And he finally gave up.
Go grow up.
Ooh, there's a perch. We'll take him home.
It's like a female.
Or her home, I guess. Sorry. Didn't mean to offend anybody. You have the phone in like a fairly safe pocket, right?
It's in my pants pocket. You got the stringer on you? She's kind of small, but.
Oh, I don't know. She'll have to go back. She can be over there, isn't she? How much longer am I going to give it a spot?
I don't know. Alright guys, we're gonna go hike back to the car and hide for a little bit.
Sit out there with the lid open, guys. Get some more fresh water.
Okay, get this heater going in here. Alright guys, so we're not done for today.
Definitely not.
But
It's rain past them.
yeah, we're gonna hang out in here, dry out as best we can, and yeah, we'll be back with you guys and catching more fish. I guess they're over in this hole, huh?
Anything smaller than him, though, is like that.
There's a good one. Come up over here. I guess they're moving up.
Yeah. Good call moving this way, though, for sure.
Yep.
You get whenever you're ready for that.
Alright guys, check this out. So, really nice yellow perch.
Sorry.
I'm about to get fish lapped.
Another absolute fish. Oh, goodness. Dude. Size of these things. Oh, got him?
Yep.
Nice. Get him up here, get him up here.
My rod is not pleased right now. Another good fish, man. That's all we're doing, guys. We're putting a minnow on a hook underneath the bobber and just flicking it out.
Where'd they all go?
I'm wondering the same thing right now. There has to be more than just those 4 fish in this hole.
Guess the rain picked up and they stopped for a little bit. Rain is falling a little harder.
You're probably thinking that we're nuts for sitting out here in the cold trying to catch fish.
Ooh.
You're right. We are.
Would not recommend
cold.
this. Would not recommend anybody
48 degrees.
stay out in the rain.
Raining. Well, we're gonna wait till the rain slows down again and probably go try again. But if not, we've got 4 fish.
Yeah.
And I believe we got like 7 on camera, so that's more than the last 2 videos.
Yes. Might try one more spot after this too. If it calms down and the fish just aren't biting here anymore. We got one more spot to try out.
Yeah.
I think it's like a 5-minute drive from here, really close. So
It'd be nice if the rain would just stop. But
it would be, but looking at their stream, it does need rain. So
yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna ask it to stop because
No.
it definitely makes it bigger.
It is much lower than it ever has been that we've seen anyways. Like, look over here. That little cement slab thing there.
All that
It's
dirt
like-
is underwater.
Yeah, all of that is usually water. And then usually you cannot see that ripple very good.
We actually never seen a river before ever.
Nope.
I didn't know that was there.
Like way over there is like usually covered in water. Almost like halfway up that bank is usually water. But I guess they haven't had a whole lot of rain or snow. So
Which is weird because we've been having a lot of rain.
yeah, that's pretty much all we've been having is rain.
And this is not even 2 hours from our house, this spot, so.
So yeah, we're just gonna hang out here, warm up, dry out a little bit, then head back out hopefully whenever the rain slows down a little bit. So see you guys in a little bit. Try it again. There we go. Oh, he's running. Sorry, dude.
That's a jump.
Come up here.
A lot better than mine. Definitely going back in, guys, don't worry.
Yeah,
I'm going to show you. Look at his teeth.
a little tore up right there.
Yeah.
Kind of cute little angry dude.
Nice.
That was no doubt a bite there. That's a little small.
Very yellow.
Yeah, very yellow. His fins are like very orange too. See if I can get this. There we go. Back in. That's a good perch. Another good one. Unless we're up at the lake and we start getting them. Fish. Not that one anyways. That's a good one.
Yeah. Oh, he's a little guy. He's a little.
Huh. She has got some eggs. That's a good one.
How did they do that, man?
As soon as I say I'm getting a little cold, I'm about to head in. Get another decent one. Not quite. There we go, warm up. I hope you guys are enjoying this video right now. Got a spider right there.
We're catching fish, and
We are.
we're also suffering, so you should enjoy it.
So yeah, hopefully leave a like, maybe a comment, maybe share it. It is cold.
Still saying 48.
Yep. 48, wet and cold. Hey guys, we're back home right now. We didn't end up going to that spot on the docks, and we saw some fish, but they weren't eating anything.
Yeah, it was a little rough.
So we just went ahead and went back down to the creek and tried that again, and
Didn't catch anything more.
no, they were all done. So
You guys didn't miss anything.
no. So we're gonna go ahead and end this one here, and just if you guys like these, let us know, and if not, let us know that also, and we'll start doing something else. All right, see you guys in the next one.